Kia koutou. As the weeks pass in the strange and ever-challenging context of COVID-19 across our nations, it feels timely to communicate with you again, our international doctoral scholars. We are aware that the stresses in both Hawaii and across Washington state are so much more complex and difficult than those we currently face in Aotearoa, and understand how that can impact on your families and communities as well as your study. I am also very aware that some of you have suffered the immediate impact of the loss of a family member to COVID-19, and want you to know that our thoughts and hearts are with you at this time. To those of you who are managing to continue with your research and writing, well done. That is an incredible achievement. To those who are struggling to stay regularly connected to your work, I encourage you to make contact with our program coordinator, Associate Professor Mera Pinehira, for support and to join one of the regular Zoom sessions where you can connect with other doctoral scholars. Mera will be connecting with you all in coming days to advise of some extra considerations and support we are putting in place for the scholars in the international program. You are an integral part of Te Whare Wānanga Wawanui-Arangi and will remain so during this time even though we are unable to travel to you in person. Please take the time to focus on your well-being and that of your families and communities. Kia kaha, noho ora mai, kia ora.